12 a.m. 12 a.m. which means it's now 6th December. I was just on a call with my makeup artist and she can't make it for my mehendi. We had a long discussion on like what to do, how to do, and she can't make it because of the Indigo flight situation. The way that this has hampered my wedding, it's so unfortunate that this has happened, but it's just so irritating. There are guests that are now not being able to come. Some of our guests have like booked train tickets very spontaneously, taking Rajdhani from Mumbai to Delhi. It's just this whole destination wedding thing. Like, I didn't think that there would be so many variables to get everybody to this one place, and now I'm so sad that my makeup artist is not gonna be here for my mehendi. I mean, obviously her team is here, but she's not gonna be here, and she's going to be here for my wedding looks. So she's missing the cocktail and the mehendi.
Day 2.
Day 2. Day 2 officially.
How was last night?
Very blurry. Don't remember much, but had fun.
My name is Dakshita, founder of DV Spaces. We're the team of designers and planners. And here you go.
Hi, this is Manav. I'm the creative director at DV Spaces. And Dakshita and I have collectively designed all the decor for Ashna and Aditya based on their moods, their themes, their details and everything. Recently Aditya and proposed Ashna in Maldives. We found out those pictures and we thought we have to replicate that in somewhere in the decor, and this is what came out for us. Like, we thought we'll make a lounge entirely for it, like these trees and the coconut trees and the birds. Like, this was solely to like kind of, you know, for them to relive that moment, like for them to create the story, so that, you know, when they actually showcase this outside or whenever they set the pictures, or even if they don't showcase it, just look at the pictures, they realize how personalized all these things are. Like, they're based around their story. Very great. And here there's Aditya. Wishing them well, a good life together.
Very nice, very
Thank
nice.
you.
Great job.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
बस अब उस आशना को आने दो.
हाँ,
उसको भी अच्छा
मतलब हम
लगेगा.
वेट कर रहे हैं उनका.
हाँ, वो बस आ रही है.
Yeah, I don't think shoota Guys, we have 5 minutes. I love this look so much. VLAN? It's too long. No, it has to be like.
That's what I'm saying. Like, this is my favorite. Collectively, everybody's favorite.
What the hell? What the hell?
I love.
I think one patch I'll have to remove. Do we do a dance practice down? Quickly.
This one goes like a muffler.
Can I just take?
Wait. Give me. This one of these you can soft smell.
I was the first person to go to sleep, guys, before 12 a.m. I was in my bed. I just came to change my outfit to go to the ballroom where everybody was dancing.
Last night was gonna be like a crazy night, and y'all are gonna sleep at 6 a.m., wake up at 12.
They've slept at like 4 or 5. I am the only one who's gone to bed. I don't know if anyone has a video. It would be so funny.
At 12, she's back.
Like the after party, clips of them, and then my after party, like.
was like Cinderella yesterday.
Yeah. 12 o'clock, she's changed in pajamas, warmers, 2 pairs of socks. But it was so funny. Like, I could hear Khushi in my sleep, and she's like, it's not even 12, please get up, please come. So I was like, I can't. Let's go inside and see if everybody's ready.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh my God.
Show.
Full Punjabi.
Too good.
Oh my God.
हमारा reaction record.
I'll cry.
You can
recording.
First shift. Wow.
Oh my God. Please turn. Oh, I love the parandi. I really love it.
Too good. Very pretty.
Full Punjabi. She's looking.
Very pretty.
think मैं first person हूँ to reach the venue. For early to bed, early to rise. I don't think anyone is here. Maybe Addy is here. Oh, is that?
Yeah.
I don't know what the stage is for. Hello.
Lovely.
It's looking so nice. Love the flowers. Beautiful. Hello. It looks so nice. Oh my god. What is this? Flower market.
Yes.
Come here.
Yeah. This is Dakshita. This is Mana. They are doing the decor.
Thank you so much.
This is my stylist, Dola and Dave.
Hi Dola, amazing job I must say.
Yeah, look at you.
Oh wow. This is also for Mehndi only.
This is for Mehndi, that was for Mehndi, everything for Mehndi.
Guys, it looks insane.
Huh?
Insane.
क्या है?
आपका हो गया फोटोशूट?
हाँ मेरा हो गया क्योंकि मैंने बोला जल्दी से ले लो मेरा 2-3 पोज मुझे आते हैं वही मैं कर सकता हूँ तो मैंने कर लिया
ऐसा था कल का रात?
काफ़ी हैवी नाइट था ना।
Heavy?
नाइट था। अभी आधे लोग लुढ़के हुए हैं, आधे लोग सो रहे हैं, आधे लोगों को धक्का मार के उठाया है। आड़ी तो फिर बॉम्ब बॉय है हमारा, लेकिन आशना एकदम फुल पंजाबी खुड़ी लग रही है। उनको सूट कर रहा होता है। चेक देख लो यार, लुक एट देम। पैन दी कैमरा टू, पैन दी कैमरा।
Very nice. Placemat's name. Too good. Expectations पार हो गई है मेरी.
So cute. कौन है ये? Aww.
जूते चुराने.
क्या प्लान बन रहा है?
जूते कैसे चुराए? जूते चुराने का. इनका डिपार्टमेंट है ये.
अच्छा,
हमारा
व्हाट इज द
deal
प्लान?
हमारा डील हो रहा है विद द ग्रूम्स ब्रदर, बट उसको 50% चाहिए कट, जो हम नहीं देंगे. दैट्स अ लॉट, दैट्स अ बिग कट.
सारी लड़कियां हैं. But I'll be very honest. They will not let us चुराओ अगर हम उनको
नहीं
नहीं
नहीं,
देंगे.
we'll try first. नहीं
No,
हुआ
we
तो
are
गौतम
going
को
to
बोलूंगी
give it a
थोड़ा
shot.
कट दे देंगे हम.
I don't agree to
मैंने
that.
एक शादी में मुक्का खाया है, पता है, जूता चुराने.
मैंने बोला they are very competitive.
या 50% नहीं दे सकते हम
Let's go
गाइस.
up. 50% क्या?
South
Indian क्या हम South Indians है तो हम कर सकते हैं. परांदी वरांदी is difficult for us, but I think we are carrying it really well.
Because our thing is only that कि हम crowd से एक एक कर करके यहाँ पे आएंगे and then
And your thing is also inbuilt into that.
in one
So what
thing only,
we'll
one
do
go.
is when we're starting that segment, either Muskan or I will come and give you a heads up
Yeah.
that this is happening.
Yeah, just
These
it
are the
should be
two
the
songs.
third song. Tell me.
I'll
कि-
tell you which is the song जिसके बाद है,
Yeah.
so you know that this is prep.
Yeah,
I'll let
because we
Kushi
have
and all
entry
know.
music, then they will come.
ठीक है.
घुस के तो it should be like a
Correct.
कि announce नहीं हो रहा है
Correct,
अभी dance
correct,
है
correct,
वैसा.
yeah.
I
Like a
wanted to
mini
just be
flash mob.
yeah वैसा.
Yeah.
That's the
Done.
idea. ठीक है.
ਚੱਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਓਏ ਖਟਕਲੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਤਾਲੀ ਓ ਨੱਚ ਅਦਿੱਤੇ ਕੀ ਸਾਲੀ ਰੋ
How are you managing in this cold?
Literally, not managing. I am so happy that I'm not falling sick, but Addy is, sadly. So, we're wrapping up very early today because tomorrow the wedding, the South Indian wedding, happens very early. So, everybody needs enough rest, enough time to, sleep and all and get ready early. But we have to get ready, like be ready by 6:30 in the morning. So, मैं तो सोने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी. Good night.